Welcome to your journey home into the world of XL Homes. We strive to create lasting value in all our communities. This is best achieved when you, as the homeowner, know and perform some simple, basic maintenance tasks.
Periodic maintenance is necessary because of normal wear and tear, the inherent characteristics of materials used in your home, and normal service requirements by the various systems and equipment in your home.
XL Homes is pleased to provide simple and easy-to-follow seasonal checklists that will ensure your home will remain healthy and beautiful. Let's start with the inside of your home. Check caulking for security, cracking, detachment, and signs of water or air penetration. Remove and replace with appropriate type of caulking if necessary.
Service your furnace and heating system, including heat recovery ventilator and humidifier. We recommend hiring a qualified service technician to properly inspect and perform routine maintenance.
Check dryer vent to remove any lint or obstructions. Once again, we recommend hiring a qualified service technician to properly inspect and perform routine maintenance.
Test smoke alarms and carbon monoxide detectors. We also recommend installing a winter cover for air conditioning units. These can be purchased in most home improvement stores.
Check ceilings for signs of moisture. Uneven distribution of insulation due to wind blowback may cause a buildup of moisture.
Check and reset ground fault circuit interrupter or GFCI in all exterior outlets, bathrooms, or at the main electrical panel.
Check and clean the heat recovery ventilator or HRV. Wash and replace filter. Keep an eye on your humidifier filter and replace if necessary. If needed, clean the mechanisms of the humidifier. And finally, check for condensation and humidity.
For the exterior of your home, start by checking exterior finishes, siding, trim, and eavestroughs to ensure that they are secure. Check eavestroughs and downspouts for leaves, which should be removed along with any other debris.
Check the operation of garage doors and lubricate moving parts as needed.
Shut off exterior water supply and drain water lines.
Check roofing and flashing for signs of wear or damage.
And finally, make sure you check and reset your ground fault circuit interrupters, or GFCIs, found in your exterior outlets.
Maintaining your new residence properly and regularly will ensure that every facet of your home performs as intended, avoiding unnecessary and costly repairs. Congratulations on your new home purchase with XL Homes. At XL Homes, it's all about simplifying your journey home.